To an interesting story now, where there was drama in Luoka village, Siaya County, bordering humor, when an incensed man carried a dead python on his bicycle and ferried it to the police station. The furious man was unhappy after he found his dog had been killed by the python and was on the verge of swallowing it. The incident is the latest case of human-wildlife conflict that has consumed the village, with many residents coming out to claim they have been terrorized by pythons. And Musungu with that story.
As the festive cheer spreads elsewhere, residents of Luoka village in Ugunja, Siaya County, were gripped by fear after marauding python repeatedly attacked homesteads, killing poultry and even a dog. Frustration reached a climax when Charles Otieno confronted the menace head-on by killing the huge snake after it squeezed the life out of his dog. In a fit of anger, he carried the dead serpent to the nearest police station, together with evidence, the dead dog, to report the matter. A video of his determined pursuit of justice for his slain dog has since gone viral, drawing widespread attention.
Vile nilitoka huko juu kupata hii python inafukuza umbwa yangu, ile hasira ilinipata, ilifanya mpaka mimi pia nikuwe mwanaume kama wanaume karibu 10. Sasa vile nilifika pale, hii nyoka kuniona ikanibebea kichwa ikasimama hivi na ikapanua mdomo.
He's now appealing to the Kenya Wildlife Service to urgently visit the village and intervene, urging officers to track down and safely capture the remaining deadly snakes. Residents hope the move will finally restore calm and end the lingering fear stalking the community.
Sasa watu wa KWS, chenye naweza kuomba KWS wafanye kwa hii area yetu, wakuje wabebe nyani zao, watoe nyani hapa ili tusihangaike na hii python kuhangaisha umbwa zetu, ama watoe python wakuje watafute zile zenye zimabaki waende nazo.
Otieno says Kenya Wildlife Service officers from Siaya have already stepped in, collecting both the dead python and the dog from Sigomere police station. Otieno may also be eyeing compensation under the Wildlife Conservation and Management Act, Cap 376. The law establishes a government-funded compensation scheme for losses arising from human-wildlife conflict, including property damage. The purpose of the scheme is to finance compensation for human death or injury or crop and property damage caused by wildlife. And Musungu, KTN.
You know, the man is right that he